Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan. So today's video, we've got to go ahead and update our EveryDollar budget for September. If you missed our paper and pen budget closeout, I will link it above so that you can check it out at your earliest convenience. But we want to go ahead and make sure that everything is updated in EveryDollar. Now I've already started and put in the majority of the information, and I just wanted to show you guys what we've done thus far. So for hubby's check, he did receive check one, that amount. The second paycheck, it was $1,200 that was sent to that account. Of course, my income, and then the survey here, that $20, it was not planned, but it was received. So the total income for the month is $41.18. And then for the giving, what we spent, it shows the $10.27. And on down for our household expenses. Now, if you're new to EveryDollar, you can create whatever categories that fit you. All you really need to do is click on it, and you can actually change the title to fit you and your lifestyle. So this is what we've done if this is your first time watching our video. Alright, and so for the household expenses, everything has been paid. Alright, and as you can see, the lawn service, $100 versus the $110. And then the gas, only $30 was taken out. And then the budget buffer, we only spent $32.02. So when I changed this to what we have remaining, it shows that we have, for the gas, $110 remaining, $10 in the lawn service, and then the budget buffer, $117.98. And it does show, of course, the giving over at $43. For our groceries, the remaining $7.13, and it shows that we spent $692.87. And guys, you know I'm just super excited. And like I said, that last video for September, you know that $7.13 has gone toward the HELOC extra payment. For toiletries, we were over by $15.94. So we spent the $90.94. And I explained that to you guys that I knew we were running low, and I had increased this, but I didn't increase it enough. But I did spend $15.94 extra. Now here are the household savings funds. This $25 is automatically drafted out, and it was. And the remaining balance is $75. We haven't spent anything out of these savings funds, but the balance for the household is $75. And then son's tuition, the balance is $380 because we did put in that $150. Now guys, here the vacation is where I have to update it, because as you noticed in the last video, we went ahead and put the extra that we had remaining for the whole September budget into the vacation. So even though $150 was planned, that vacation fund got $375.07. So I need to update this here so that it will definitely match what we've done for the month. So instead of the $150, I'm putting here, go ahead and change that to $375.07. And then of course that remaining, that fund is $727.07. And it does match the sinking fund savings tracker that I updated with you all for the September monthly budget. And also here I've got to update the HELOC payment, because $38.90 was planned, but your girl paid $70. Minimum payment, I put it in here as 0 because we already allocate the regular payment in our household expenses here as $125. But I always wanted to show extra payment for the actual debt. The current balance right now is showing $52.94.13. But you know, for the October budget, once we create that, it'll allow me to update that balance, and I will update that balance with you guys. But it does show that the extra payment is $70, and I'm super excited about that. It does say that we are $256.17 in over budget, but we're not, guys. So what I would have to do is definitely if I changed out the budget buffer to show, like for here, if I went ahead and show what was spent, the budget buffer, I would say 3202, and then the gas I would show that was spent in the plan section $30 so that it would match, and then the lawn service I would show the $100. Then I would show that the $20 for the survey was planned, so it definitely doesn't put us over budget. So that's that. But what I'm going to do is just put a notation in my budget that I did, you know, update this. So even though it was not planned originally, I just update this so that we can make sure we balance out. So we were definitely not over budget for this month, and you saw that in the paper and pen budget, where we went ahead and just took the remainder of the total budget and put it on our vacation. So yeah, this is our September true budget as far as how we spent our money. Yeah, I'm very, very happy that it turned out very well for September. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask your questions in the comment section and I will definitely answer your questions. But yeah, I hope you do understand what we've done just to make sure that we balance out and that this vacation fund get the remainder of what we were under budget in category, since we did agree that that's what we would do for the month of September. So just remember, it's all about the agreement. But yeah, this is what we're looking like truly for the month of September in our EveryDollar app. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy, and until the next time, I will see you later. Bye.